7 free AI courses, 0 technical background needed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones to take and in what order. So you go from, I don't understand AI at all, to actually job ready, no wasted time, nothing skipped. All 7 links are in the description below. Here's why this matters. Most people don't fail at learning AI because it's too hard. They fail because they pick a random course, get overwhelmed, and quit in week 1. This list fixes that. It's structured so each course builds on the one before it. We're going through all 7 one by one, starting right now with course 1 and 2, because together these 2 give you the entire foundation everything else in this video depends on. Course 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Most beginners make the same mistake. They try to build something before they even understand what they're working with. This course stops that from happening. You'll learn the fundamentals of AI, how neural networks work, the basics of natural language processing, which is simply why chatbots understand what you type, and computer vision, with real examples like face recognition and traffic analysis. It's also just been updated to cover generative AI and LLMs, so you're learning what's current, not outdated theory. By the time you finish, you won't just know what AI means, you'll be able to explain how all these pieces fit together. And that's exactly the kind of answer interviewers are listening for, which is also exactly what most self-taught beginners skip. Course 2, Applications of AI. Once you know what AI is, the next question is simple. Where does it actually show up? This course goes beyond the obvious, like Alexa or Google search. You'll learn the real history of AI, which, surprisingly, wasn't a smooth journey at all. The basic blueprint behind how these systems get built, and some unique applications most people never connect to AI. It also covers the ethical side, bias, responsible use, and the kind of questions any serious AI professional should be able to answer. Together, these first 2 courses turn I know what AI is into I actually understand this industry, and that shift is what separates you from someone who just watched a few YouTube videos. Course 3, Artificial Intelligence with Python. This is where things stop being just theory. You'll learn how neural networks actually work, perceptrons, activation functions, and how a model corrects its own mistakes through backpropagation. Then you'll put it into practice using Keras and TensorFlow, training a real image classification model. This is the exact gap between I've heard of neural networks and I've built one myself. And that gap is what turns a resume line into an actual portfolio piece. Course 4, Artificial Intelligence Projects. This one might surprise you. It's not just beginner toy projects. You'll build AI agents, work with Azure OpenAI and LangChain, create retrieval augmented generation systems for answering questions from PDFs, and do real computer vision work like face detection. Here's why that matters. AI agents and RAG are 2 of the most in-demand skills in the industry right now. This course puts both on your resume, not just in your notes. Course 5, AI Data Management. Almost nobody talks about this course, and it might be the most underrated one on this entire list. You'll learn how data ecosystems and data catalogs work, and the basics of keeping data trustworthy and well-managed. Here's the thing, every AI model is only as good as the data behind it. Companies don't just want people who can build models, they want people who understand whether the data feeding those models can even be trusted. That's a real, hireable skill most beginners never even touch. Course 6, Big Data and AI. This course zooms out a bit. You'll understand why data has become so central to every company, what a data scientist's actual day looks like, and how AI fits into that bigger picture. This is what connects everything you've learned so far to the scale companies really operate at. It's the difference between working with a small spreadsheet and understanding a real product pipeline. Now, one honest thing before Course 7. The last course on this list is End-to-End NLP with Python, Build Chatbots and LLM Applications. And I want to be upfront with you, this one is a pro course, not a free one. It goes deep into building real chatbots using GPT and BERT, and by the end, you build an AI-powered customer support system that can actually hold a conversation. Here's why I still included it. If you've made it through courses 1 through 6, this is genuinely your natural next step. Chatbots and LLM applications are where most real AI hiring is happening right now. I just didn't want to call it free when it isn't. You can decide for yourself if it's worth it once you get there. So here's your actual takeaway. You don't need to rush through all 7 at once. Take them one at a time and actually finish each one. A half-finished course won't help you in an interview. And after each course, do the one thing almost nobody does. Write down in your own words what you just learned. That single habit is the real difference between someone who watched a course and someone who can actually explain it when it matters. If this gave you a clear starting point, hit like, subscribe for more career roadmaps, and tell me in the comments which course you are starting with today. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.